Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Kriti Sanon diet plan for weight loss. Now we all recently saw for a movie Kriti Sanon gained 15 kgs of weight and then she reduced all of that weight in just 3 months. So today I'll be sharing with you all how Kriti Sanon lost 15 kgs in 3 months with the help of this diet. So recently I tried this diet on lots of my clients and it worked like wonders. And so can you. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your personalized weight loss diet plans with me. So without any delay, let's get started with Kriti Sanon diet plan to help you lose 15 kgs in just 3 months. Starting with the early morning drink, which she used to have warm water with added lemon and honey. So all you have to do is in 1 glass of warm water, just add 1 lemon squeezed and just half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Mix it well and have it empty stomach. This will help you remove all the bad toxins, control your blood sugar levels and to reduce weight fast very easily. And then proceeding towards breakfast. For breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options which you used to prefer to have. The first is, of course, for all the vegetarians out there, boiled eggs. You can have 2 to 3 boiled eggs with 1 egg yolk and all the rest of the eggs have to be only whites. Have it for your breakfast. Second option is egg sandwich. You can either have boiled eggs or you can have egg sandwich which consists of 2 boiled eggs without any yolk, and along with that you can have 2 slices of toasted bread. Always prefer to use either sourdough bread or multigrain bread. If you cannot have egg sandwich, then you can always have vegetarian sandwich or veg sandwich. Now the recipe for all the Indian veg sandwiches is already upon my channel and here is complete recipe. Go and check it out. You can follow or pick any one sandwich out of these recipes for your breakfast. Proceeding towards our third option for breakfast, which is only as a cheat meal, which will be namak or ajwain parantha. Along with that you can have butter or ghar ka safed makhan. But it is only in case of a cheat meal, that is only once a week. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack, which can be 1 fruit of your own choice, any seasonal fruit which is available in the market these days. May it be any kind of fruit, banana, mousami, apple, papaya, watermelon, pineapple, whatever it is. Along with that, have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea to give you all the antioxidant level for the day. Now let's proceed towards our lunch, and I always prefer to have apple cider vinegar before your lunch. 30 to 40 minutes before your lunch, just simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Mix it well and have it before lunch. This will help you boost your metabolism, reduce your blood sugar levels and any kind of insulin spikes when you have your lunch, and also to detoxify your system very quickly. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options. The first option is rice. Have brown rice, 100 to 250 grams of cooked brown rice as per your own hunger. Along with that you can have any kind of chicken curry or egg curry or veg curry. Along with that you can have a good full bowl of salad. You can also have rajma or dal or any seasonal sabzi in place of curry with rice. It can even be sambar or rasam or any kind of dal prepared at your home. Along with that you can have a good full bowl of salad. Do not add any kind of uncooked or raw salt over salad in any form. It hampers the vitamins and minerals and nutrients present in the salad. You can have 1 cucumber chopped, 1 tomato, 1 onion, lettuce leaves along with this lunch option. Or you can also replace your rice with quinoa if you want to have it. And now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack, for which I'll be giving you 1 option which is very amazing in each and every manner. It helps you to stay satiated and as well as to give you good vitamins and minerals of the day. 5 soaked almonds. Along with that you can have 1 cup of green tea or tea or coffee as per your own preference, but without any sugar added to it. Now what does soaked almonds do in your body? It is a great source of calcium, vitamin E, vitamin K and lots of good nutrients present into it. So you can make sure to have at least 5 to 7 soaked almonds. Always prefer only in soaked form because of the inflammation it can cause when it's dry in nature. Now let's proceed towards our dinner option, which can be a good full bowl of soup. Soup, as the winters are approaching, is one of the best dinner options that you can have for weight loss and at the same time keeps you warm for the entire night. You can either have chicken soup, egg soup, tomato zucchini soup. Now the recipe for my soups for weight loss is already upon my channel and here is the complete recipe. You can go and check it out and it's yummy in each and every manner. Along with that, if you feel too much hunger, then you can always have one multigrain toast along with your soup. Or the second option for dinner can be grilled chicken along with some veggies stir fried. Now all you have to do is take approximately 200 grams of grilled chicken, add stir fry veggies along with it. Now the recipe for stir fry grilled veggies is already upon my channel and here is the complete recipe. Go and check it out to follow the complete recipe. Now Kriti Sanon makes sure to sleep early by 9 to 9:30 so that she doesn't feel hungry for the entire night. So always prefer to sleep early when you're on your weight loss journey to avoid any kind of hunger pangs of the day. And just a very quick skin tip that she used to follow. Hydration was the key. Always make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water with this weight loss diet plan to give you good and best results for your weight loss, for your hydration, and as well as lots and lots of skin benefits. She also used to apply and is always recommended to apply some kind of moisturizer before going to bed. Now she used to apply lavender oil before going to bed at night to moisturize her skin, and so can you. With this diet plan, you'll be able to lose at least 15 kgs in 3 months very easily if followed A to Z. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with dietitian Sheena and begin the journey. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.